tool and die could be defined as the core of the manufacturing industry that is now growing every day as it supports the whole national manufacturing industry of the country. Developing and improving in tool and die industry are urgent and must be continuously given close attention to in favor of enhancing the quality of its products. The traders of Thai Tool and Die Industry Association first assembled the members and set up the club in 1989. The position of the club has been raised up to be the association in 1994 for the purpose of being the steady center for traders. The Thai Tool and Die Industry Association was established firstly to promote and support the enterprises on how to manufacture and use mold and die, to support and publicize the techniques, to develop the careers of traders and laborers and advance their skills, to be the center and the representative of members in exchanging their opinions and academic knowledge to anyone that is related to tool and die industry, to boost up the design technology in creating the mold to reach international standard, to be the counseling center to the public and private organizations in tool and die industry, and last, to promote harmony and understanding between members. Since 2005, the industry of tool and die has been given the policies and budgets pragmatically by the Ministry of Industry, which these are some of the procedures that can improve the quality of tool and die industry. Tool and Die Industry Association is the organization that has important roles in developing the traders and staff in its own industry. For instance, it broadly covers the elements of management, the analysis and corporate expansion, the development in engineering analysis and design, and the technology to produce parts with modern machine tools. With a focus on reinforcing the skills to staff to a higher capacity and consist with current technology and accommodate the trend of technological development and changes in the future, Thai tool and die industry can definitely solve the problems on the shortage of both quality and quantity. The premise that is promoting and supporting the potential of the tool and die industry in the country can ultimately build up the confidence in buyers, investors, and middlemen. There is also a strategy of economic restructuring onto sustainable growth and tightening the relationships between the countries in the region to assure the nation's social and economic security. Join the Thai Tool and Die Industry Association as a member. We aim to leverage the capabilities of the industry as well as to form friendly relationship between members in the organization in contemplation of economic cooperation between interested groups at the international level.